Hi, I'm Angela Clark from Threadwaggle Quilting, and I just found a new thing to use with my quilt path that I thought you might want to know about. It is a foot pedal that you would use if you were changing, the pages of music, if you were playing guitar or you were singing. So it will actually change the pages of your music on like an iPad. But it's Bluetooth, so it will work with any tablet. So I have paired it with my quilt path, and you want to make sure that you get one that has different modes on it. This one has a mode that will let it left click. So when we're using a finger mouse, all we're doing is using the left click button to continue to repeat a selection that we've made on the screen. So by that I mean if I go into plugins and I go to eClipse, right, you're going to see that I was playing a minute ago. I'm just going to delete all of that. And I'm going to move my long arm and I'm going to tap the add button, which is going to start this. And then if I click the left button, right now I have it in left clicked mode, and I move my long arm and I'm clicking this, you're going to see it's going to repeat what I did. Now, when it's in my hand, I can't really make curves, but when it's on the floor and I'm using it as a foot pedal and I'm tapping my foot quickly, I can get a lot more. And I actually had better results when I was doing it with my right foot. Not sure why, and I can't see what I'm trying to quilt, so you just believe me. It's going to take a little bit of practice because we're not used to tapping stuff with our foot while we're going. Now, there is something called a repeat feature on this, and I was hoping when I got it that if I turned repeat on, that I could just hold the button down and it would just continually tap this button for me. It doesn't really work that way for us. It would continuously turn a page if you were doing music or doing like a PowerPoint presentation, right? But it's not going to work that way. So what I'm trying to say is if you can't find a finger mouse and you want something that's ergonomically correct and still easy to use, look for a page turn.